we decided that as a family, we were going to start a plumbing company that your grandfather would recognize. We started this little company just sort of saying, hey, if we provide great customer service and great quality service, hopefully the customers will come. We implemented an apprenticeship program so that we could train quality plumbers from the ground up. As we were growing the company, we knew we didn't want to focus on a sales culture because that creates distrust with our customers. We never want you to have a feeling we're selling you something you don't need. That's why we take the time to explain our repairs and your options, and we put the control of what happens in your home in your hands. So one of our philosophies has always been that we want to do a permanent fix, or as permanent as you can get when you're talking about something you use every day. So we don't want to just come in and fix the symptom of the problem. We want to find the actual problem and fix it. So it's really been hard work, a focus on customer service, and following our motto, which is good enough is never good enough, that has gotten us where we are today. I'm Anya Smith, co-founder of All Clear Plumbing.